What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and this is my channel. Welcome back. Today I am installing some chain and sprockets on the S1000, and I gotta say, it wasn't cheap. Let's get into it. So I got a steel front and rear. I'd much rather have that than aluminum. And then I got an EK chain. It's gold, so it kind of goes along with the bike. So let's go ahead and start removing the old stuff. So I got everything off. There's the shaft that comes out of the transmission, and here's all the worn out stuff. Got everything off the hub. So now I'm ready for install. This is the satisfying part. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, looks good. This steel sprocket has a real good look to it. I'm also gonna put some blue Loctite on these nuts, and we'll put them on there. We're gonna probably not put blue Loctite on the shaft because there's a locking washer, which it wasn't actually locking anything before. Might try to make it lock it a little bit better this time. Got a little bit of Loctite. Washer on. So we bent up the washer, and so it's actually got splines on it just like the sprocket, and so it's basically on the shaft too, and so that washer won't spin. So when it's locked up like that, that nut will not come off. The nut is tightened pretty good, but that just prevents it from coming off at high speeds and stuff. All right, I'm gonna put the wheel back in. I'm gonna re-lube a few things. Then I'm gonna re-lube the axle as well, even though I just lubed it when I put this rear wheel on. Wipe all the grease off. Kind of get the axle where you want it. Probably just gonna cut off one entire link and see where it sits. I'm actually pushing the rivet out the other side. Hook it on. That's not that bad. It's only on the second mark back basically, so I got tons more marks and a lot of movement to be able to adjust this bag. So I think it's good right there. So first you're gonna take your grease, Put it together. Time to put the anvil in. So I got like a keeper right there. Put the anvil in with the spring. Looks to be pretty good. Just gonna tighten up the chain now. Awesome. New chain and sprockets looking good. Can't wait to take this for a test ride. I am super happy to have new chain and sprockets on this S1000 because I don't have to worry about reliability issues for a while. This bike has almost 60,000 miles on it, and I plan on putting a whole lot more on it. CJ Media was talking about there's like meets all over the place that he had people want him to go to, and he wanted me to come to. And I mean, some of those meets were 15, 20 hours away. How crazy would it be if I rode a gold S1000 close to 20 hours? That would just be just wild. Just a backpack, camp on the side of the road, or like truck stops. They'd just be just crazy stupid. I'd have to get cruise control, a comfy seat, and a few more things probably. Something to hold my backpack so it's not on my back, but that would be wild. Because it's not worth, the bike is already 60,000 miles. I mean, the value is already as much as possible. Also salvage title, soon to be rebuilt, but between the high mileage and rebuilt title, the thing's not worth much. So it doesn't matter if I put another 40,000 on it. I mean, but how cool would that be? If I had a gold S1000 with 100K on it, that'd be wild. It just would hurt my bum a lot because, you know, riding 40,000 miles on a sport bike would be rough. Anyway, next video we're gonna tackle one of the last few things on the bike. So I'm super excited to try to finish this project out. Until next time, catch you on the flip side.